Hey guys, welcome to Learn for Future channel. In this video, I am going to explain about speed and distance problems. I am going to say about important formulae and points. I'll show you one easy way to remember these formulas. First take time, speed and distance. Now draw one Y symbol like this. If you see, D is always greater when compared to these. So write D here. Next S and T. It may be D, T, S. You can write any one of this. Now D, distance, is equals to S into T. That means speed into time. Next, speed is equals to distance by time. Distance by time. Now time is equals to distance by speed. These are the three important formula. There are 4 types of questions which they'll ask in your competitive or placements exams. In questions they'll ask like D is same, that means distance is same, time is same, speed is same, or find the average speed. If they ask to find the average speed, we want to use 2s1 s2 by s1 plus s2, this formula. In questions they may ask in this form, when two bodies move in opposite direction, their speed are added to find the relative speed. When they ask in this form, we should use this formula SR is equals to S1 plus S2, because SR is relative speed, where S1 plus S2, two bodies are moving same direction by add, so plus. So here when two bodies moves in same direction, then the speed are subtracted. Find the relative speed. So relative speed SR is equals to two bodies S1, S2 subtract, so minus. So two bodies A and B move between 2 points P and Q. A and B moves at 2 points P and Q. Started where one started from P and goes to Q, where one, that means A started from P to Q, and other starts from Q to P, where B starts from Q to P on the way, and they reach their destination and the time is TA and TB, where TA and TB respectively. Then meeting their speed is SA and SB. So they meet at one point. Whenever they give in this form, we should use this formula SA by SB is equals to root of TB by root of TA. Now conversion of units. Learn basic. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. 1 hour is 3600 seconds. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 1 hour, you can write in this form also, 60 minutes. And 1 minute is 60 seconds. These are very simple, but if you not learn these, you want to learn this. These are very simple. If you not learn, when you went to write any exams, if you don't know what is 1 kilometer is, then you cannot write the exam. You know the formula, but you don't know what is 1 kilometer is. So definitely learn this. Kilometer per hour into minutes per second, where 1 kilometer is 1000. So 1000 by 1 hour is 3600. If we calculate, we'll get 5 by 18 minutes per second. If we want to convert minutes by second into kilometer per hour, 1000 by 3600, this is reciprocal for this, so 8 by 5 kilometer per hour, where 1 mile is equals to 1760 yards, where 1 yard is equals to 3 feet, where 1 mile we can write in this way also 5280 feet. How many seconds does Pooja take to cover a distance of 500 meters if she run with a speed of 30 km per hour? First we want to convert kilometer per hour into minutes per second. So 30 km per hour is equals to 30 into kilometer per hour means 5 by 18. 15 is 9. If we calculate, we'll get 75 by 9 minutes per second. Time, where distance is equals to 500 meters, where speed is equals to 75 by 9 minutes per second, where we want to find t. Before I said to find t, we should use t is equals to d by s. 500 by 75 by 9. If we calculate, we'll get 60 seconds. 500 by 75 by 9 is equals to 60 seconds. So time is equals to 60 seconds. Now second example, a man walking at the rate of 6 km per hour cross a bridge in 15 minutes. Then length of the bridge is. So first time is 15 minutes. Time is 15 minutes and speed is equals to 6 km per hour. But there is no distance. So we want find to distance, where distance is, first draw this dst. If we want to find distance, d is equals to s into t. We want to multiply. S is 6 into 15 minutes. Sorry, before going to calculation, we want to convert this. Where s is equals to 6 km per hour, we want to convert this into minutes per second. So 6 into 5 by 18. If we calculate, we'll get 1.66 minutes per second. Now we can calculate. D is equals to s into t. 1.66 into 15 minutes. 15 into, this is minutes, so we want to convert this into seconds, into 600. If we calculate these two, 60. If we calculate, we'll get 900, where 1.66 into 900, 1500 meters. Now example 3, two buses starts from same time, one from P to Q and other from Q to P. If both buses reach after 4 hours and 16 hours at Q and P respectively, after they cross each other, what would be the ratio of speed of the bus starting from P and that of one of starting from Q? This is the formula. Before I explain, where A and B of distance P and Q, they are traveling in opposite direction with the time TA, SA and TB, SB. So we should use this formula for this. So SA by SB is equals to root of TB by TA, where SA is equals to SA and SB we want to find, is equals to root of TB means T, where TA is 4 hours, where TB is 16 hours, where 16 root 16 by root 4, root 16 means 4 by 2, SA by SB, where SA by SB is equals to 2 by 1, where 2 is to 1 ratio. So this is in the ratio of speed 2 is to 1. Okay friends, I hope everyone understand the speed and distance problems. If you have any doubts, please comment in comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.